Welcome to this step-by-step guide on creating a phone mockup in Figma in just 5 minutes. We begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Figma website. This is where all the design magic happens, so take a moment to ensure you are connected and ready to work on your project. Once you have reached the Figma homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. There you will find the login button. Click on this button to start the process of signing into your account. The login action is straightforward and provides you with access to all the design features that Figma offers. After initiating the login, you will see an option labeled Continue with Google. This method is particularly useful if you prefer using your existing Google credentials for swift access. Click on the Continue with Google option so that you can bypass the need to remember another username and password combination. This method offers a seamless integration with your Google account. When prompted, choose the Google account you would like to use for signing in. Selecting the appropriate account ensures that your design environment and projects are always in sync with your personal preferences and previous work. This step is essential for maintaining continuity in your design workflow and for securing access to your creative space. After signing in, it is time to open your project. You can access your project by navigating to the provided link or by finding your project in the list of recent projects on your Figma dashboard. This project is where you will work on your phone mockup, so make sure it is open and visible. This action transitions you smoothly into the design editor. Within the editor, take a moment to right-click on the workspace. This action opens up a contextual menu that houses several options, including those related to plugins. Right-clicking is a great way to access additional functionality without cluttering your main workspace. Within the menu that appears, click on Plugins. This will display all the available plugins that can enhance your design experience. From this list, you will be focusing on a particular plugin that aids in creating realistic mockups. Selecting plugins sets the stage for the next series of design adjustments. In the list of plugins, locate and click on Artboard Mockups. This plugin is designed to provide you with a variety of mockup templates which can be very useful for showcasing your designs on realistic devices such as smartphones. Once Artboard Mockups loads, you will see a collection of mockup options that will be used in your project. Scroll through the choices displayed until you find a phone mockup that fits your design needs. The options are arranged in a manner that allows you to compare styles quickly, so choose one that resonates with your project aesthetic. Once you have made your selection, the next step is to ensure that your image is placed correctly within the chosen frame. Drag your image into the frame that has been set by the phone mockup. This placement should be precise so that the image fits well within the boundaries of the phone display. Proper alignment will give your mockup a realistic and professional appearance. Finally, complete the process by clicking on the Render Selected Frame option. This final action will generate a high-quality rendering of your phone mockup, demonstrating how your design appears on a device. Each step has been designed to build on the previous one, ensuring that by the end of this short tutorial you have successfully created a professional and appealing phone mockup in Figma. Enjoy showcasing your design in a modern and realistic setting.